Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf came to us when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had established fraternity between him and Hazrat Saad bin Rabi, and he was extremely affluent. So Hazrat Saad radiyallahu anhu said, the Ansar know it well that I own property more than anyone amongst them. So I divide my property between you and me, and I have got 2 wives. I will divorce the one you like. So when she completes her prescribed period, you may marry her. Hazrat Abdul Rahman replied, May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bless your household. When he returned on that day, he brought some ghee and cheese. With the Prophet, he gained. After some days, when he visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there was a yellow spot on his clothes. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked about it, he replied, I have married an Ansari woman. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, how much jointure have you paid? He submitted, gold equal to the size of a date stone or a gold date stone bar. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, hold a wedding feast even though a goat is available. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3781.